Hello Familia, hello. I am all done up. I feel so pretty today. What I'm so excited about is these bad boys right here. L'Oreal just released these Blurfection lip contours. As you can see, I have nothing on my lips because I am ready to swatch all these bad boys for you, and I'm truly excited. However, 8 shades released. I was able to get 7. The one last shade I wasn't able to get is something mousse. I'll put the name here. I went to several different stores yesterday and I could not find it. You guys get the vibes. I always try to have things completed for you, but not today. Maybe I'll do a short of that last shade because I'm gonna hunt that thing down. Hello, my name is Magdaline Janet. If you don't know who I am, welcome. I am here Mondays and Thursdays, and thank you for being here. I will have everything tagged on the screen. If you see the pop-ups, it's because I'm adding it so you can shop with every product that I use and I lip swatch, and that helps my channel out tremendously. No pressure though, you don't have to shop, but it does help when you click on it. And I will also always have everything tagged below, the shades and all that jazz. These come in these plastic thingies. A quick tip is if you like get a tweezer, you can just open it easily. This is the shade Tea Time. Oh, it has a rounded tip. Rounded tips are not my favorite because I have small lips and natural lips. So these allegedly are perfect for us. Let's see how these round tip goes. I'm gonna definitely outline and fill in everything on my lips so you can see how this works. For the usual, I have absolutely nothing on my lips so you can see the tone in studio lighting and in daylight. It is so sunny today, so I'm so excited. Without further ado, let me show you the order I'm gonna go in and let's get started. Here are the 7 shades, kind of lightest to darkest. I think it is. I don't know what order exactly. Through my eyeballs, this is lightest to darkest. I'm super excited to see how these work. Let's go. Starting with 485 Nude Espresso. This is the shade Nude Espresso. This is a cool nude. And in daylight, this is Nude Espresso. On to the next, 601 Worth It. This is the shade Worth It. This is a pinky rose nude. And in daylight, this is Worth It. On to the next one, which is 640 Tea Time. This is Tea Time Medium Coral. And in daylight, this is Tea Time. On to 635 Worth It Medium. This is Worth It Medium Berry. And in daylight, this is Worth It Medium. Moving to the deeper shades, 535 Brown Caramel. This is the shade Brown Caramel. This is a cool neutral brown. And in Daylight, this is Brown Caramel. Ooh, on to 530 Bordeaux Bisous. This is the shade Bordeaux Bisous. This is a wine red. And in Daylight, this is Bordeaux Bisous. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly. Moving on to the last one, 570 Worth It Intense. This is the shade Worth It Intense. This is a cool brown tone, a little bit of red in it. And in Daylight, this is Worth It Intense. We are done. Honestly, I didn't have a lot to go off of these. I just knew that these were a little different from what L'Oreal has ever released in regards to lip product. But before we get started, let me give you info about these. The new L'Oreal Blurfiller Lip Contour retail for about $12.99. It comes in 8 shades. I do have 7 of the 8. These make your lips look fuller. The creamy formula and rounded tip allows an effortless application for a lip enhanced and look. These are rich formula glides along the lips without tugging. Soft texture formula smooths the lips for a soft blurred look with a natural finish. Get a fuller looking lip without filler. Perfect for us natural lip gals. I purchased all of mine at Ulta. Now that we have all the tea, I'm okay about them. Are they my favorite lip product? No. Do I like the shades? Yes. Here they are, so you can see them on my arm. You guys, I have this big bruise. I have no idea where it came from. It's like distracting. Anyway, these are all the 7 shades from the first one to the last one. I like that all the undertones are different. You have brown tones, a pink nude, you have like a terracotta shade, you have your brown shade. I will say all of them really look good on me. I didn't look super chalky or weird. You know when like a shade is too light, especially when you have brown skin, you look like you just ate some chalk. No, I like that for my skin tone, like medium to tan, you can wear all of them. I do like that you can define your lips with this product. When I was like, it's round, I wasn't too sure because sometimes these rounds just don't fit your lips. I have small lips and I don't have a huge cupid's bow, but because these are kind of tiny, they kind of resemble a lip liner. So that part I really like. I feel like they dry down a little bit matte. Let's see. No, not really. You can see it here. It looks a little chalky. You can really see it here. I build this one up, but you can see, oh, actually look, you can see how chalky it is. Granted, I do have very textured lips. I have a lot of lines in my lips, so product tends to like get in the line. It depends the type of product, how visible it looks in my textured lip. It really depends. Matte products tend to really get in the line. Creamy products tend to just be super creamy. These I feel like they kind of apply chalky. They build well. When I first applied it, I was like, ooh, it's looking a little chalky. It's looking a little matte. But that creaminess that I applied it with, it remains. It just kind of dries down to like a chalky look. If you have textured lips like mine, I don't think these are complimentary up in here. I feel like it does show a lot of textures. However, I do like that it's small, compact, convenient, you can apply. I didn't mess up on any of my lip swatches, which is always nice because it does have that like matte, moussey, creamy feel all in one. I do find the shades show a lot of texture in my lips. So I like that? No. Can you avoid it? Yeah. If you apply this, I would say apply a gloss so it gives you that shiny, plump look. Typically glosses help a lot to get rid of textured looking lips. If your lips are really textured, but you like a product like like this. That's super convenient. Sure, you can use this, let it dry down, add a lip gloss, you're good to go. Like, this is how it looks when I smear it. You know what? Let me see. Oh, it's sticky. Let's apply it again. This is the last shade, Worth It Intense. Yeah, look, it looks weird. And let me wait a few minutes. I'm curious to see if these are matte. It doesn't say in the description whether they're matte or not. So I don't know. You can see here, like, imagine reapplying it. This is how your lips gonna look. I will say though, this shade looks the worst on my lips. I don't know if it's because it's the deepest shade. I didn't see that any of the other shades applied like this, kind of chalky. I really noticed it with the last one, which is Worth It Intense. So keep in mind. But in the meantime, let me show you the swatches in daylight. You can see here all these tones. They do run in the neutral tone family, so the everyday colors, which is very, very nice. I really like Bordeaux Bisous. It has like a beautiful burgundy red tone, and I really love the middle shade, which was, I believe, Worth It Medium. I like that it's a mauve yet pinky tone. You can see here, very pigmented. You see on my arm though, it doesn't look chalky. I will say the last shade does look the chalkiest, but everything else looks creamy. Let me show you another shade. When the one I didn't have, by the way, it's Mocha Mousse. When I tell you I've been looking for that one for days and I could not find it, girl. Okay, I want to use Bordeaux Bisous. See how creamy this comes off? I wonder if the last shade is the one. Maybe it's like if I have like a bad one. I'll probably give it 10 minutes or so. It's 3:20. Be back. Okay, she's back. Lighting looks a little different. Oh no, I think it's updating. It's been like, I don't know, has it been 10 minutes? Girl, it's 3:25. No lie, I'm so happy that I finished filming early. Today has been jam-packed. Thankfully, thank God, I'm getting so many great opportunities. Girl, I'm tired. Look at my bruise. It's like so distracting. Okay, look at me. Yeah, they do have like that chalkiness here. Let me show you. You see? That dry down chalkiness. It really depends on the type of shade. Some will accentuate your lip texture and that chalkiness more than others. Definitely feel like it gives more lip liner. Work well if you lip line your lips and put a lipstick in the middle. It is more of a lip liner than a lipstick. I think I'm treating it a little more like a lipstick than a lip liner. Due to this shape, I will say it gives more lip liner. Like I told you guys, it is small enough. Obviously not as small as a lip liner, but it's small enough to lip line your lips, and then you fill it in with whatever product you have. It'll definitely work the best, I think, as a lip liner, not as a filling in. But again, you know, that's how I do my lip swatches, so I like to give you guys the entire scope of the product. If you want to use as a lip liner, yes. To fill in, you can. I would just suggest put a lip balm or a lip gloss. Okay, it's more lip liner-esque. Yes, that's how basically I would use it. Lastly, the applicator definitely gives very lip liner, and I think it is small lips, natural lip friendly. So yeah, this is it, Familia. Let me know your thoughts. Did you want to see this review? I know the Drugstore is coming out with all their new products right now. Again, I will tag and link these here. It does help my channel out so much when you use those tags. But again, no pressure. They're currently available only at Ulta right now. That's where I was able to purchase mine. Let's look at these now that they've been on my arm a minute. Oh yeah, it's gone, girl. Oh yeah, these are not, I mean, I don't know why I'm expecting these to be matte when they're not. Maybe I want them to be matte, but okay, they're gone. This is it, Familia. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for always supporting me and loving me. I truly, truly appreciate you. And please, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here Mondays, Thursdays, and lives on Sundays. And subscribe right here. I love you. See you in the next one. Bye.